Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam offline mode to online mode. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Go Online. This is the most straightforward way to switch Steam back to online mode, and in many cases, this simple action will resolve the issue immediately. However, if that doesn't work and Steam is still stuck in offline mode, you'll need to try a different approach. Go back to the upper left corner, click on Steam again, and this time select Exit. This will completely close the Steam application. Now locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop and open it again. This fresh restart can sometimes help the client reconnect properly. Once Steam reopens, click on Steam in the upper left corner again, and this time select Settings from the drop-down menu. A new window will open with various configuration options. In the left panel, look for and click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game updates and cache data. Scroll down through the download settings until you find an option called Clear Download Cache. Right beside this text, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. Clearing the download cache can resolve connectivity issues because corrupted cache files sometimes prevent Steam from connecting to its servers properly. Next, you'll want to check your PC's time and date settings, as incorrect system time can cause authentication problems with Steam servers. Right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. From the menu that appears, click Adjust Date and Time. This will open your system's time settings. Make sure the toggle for Set Time Automatically is turned on. This ensures your computer syncs with internet time servers and maintains accurate time. After enabling automatic time, click the Sync Now button to immediately update your system clock. Now try opening Steam again to see if it's working properly. If you're using a VPN, you should also disable it, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with Steam's ability to connect to its servers and verify your connection status. If Steam is still not switching to online mode after all these steps, close the application completely once more. Then right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can sometimes bypass permission-related issues that prevent it from accessing the internet properly. And that's it. You've now addressed the most common causes that keep Steam stuck in offline mode, and your client should be back online and ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.